I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with RPM Healthcare, and they're looking for a healthcare data entry specialist. The key responsibilities for this job are to accurately input and update referral data received from healthcare providers into internal systems to initiate patient onboarding processes, import and validate patient records from external platforms, ensuring completeness, consistency, and proper integration into their system, review, clean, and manipulate patient cohort lists in Excel or CSV format to meet platform formatting requirements before uploading them into internal databases or applications, cross-check consent documentation and ensure all required data points are correctly recorded before activating patient profiles in the system, and to generate, review, and distribute accurate and timely reports tailored to client specifications using data extracted from internal systems, and to collaborate with client success teams to clarify reporting needs and incorporate feedback into recurring or ad hoc reports. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. An associate's degree or higher is preferred. You must have 1+ years of experience in a data entry, healthcare administration, or related role. You must be proficient in Microsoft Excel and other data management tools. Familiarity with electronic health record systems and patient data privacy regulations, for example like HIPAA, is a plus. You must have strong attention to detail and be able to handle sensitive information with discretion. And you must have excellent time management and organizational skills. Regarding what they prefer that you have experience with data uploads and validation processes, the ability to follow standard operating procedures and workflows, and to be comfortable working independently and collaboratively in a remote or fast-paced environment. Now remember, this is what they prefer. These are not requirements. Regarding compensation, the salary range for this position is from $40,000 to $45,000 annually, and is commensurate with experience and qualifications. This is a full-time entry-level position. Before I continue with the rest of this video, I just want to let you know that I have this review guide called Resume Review Guide. The critical steps you need to take before you send in your resume. In this review guide, I share the steps that I take before I send in my resume. These steps have contributed to me getting job interviews and even getting hired. I truly believe that if you get my resume review guide, it'll increase your chances of getting job interviews. If you're interested in buying my guidebook, you can click on the link for it, which is in this video. The next job is with Conduent, and they're looking for someone to fill their claims data entry position. Please note that they're not hiring in the following areas that you see on the screen here. The hours for this job are from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, with the possibility of flexible hours. And this position is available as either on-site or remote. For this job, you accurately input claim data into claims processing systems, review documents for completeness and accuracy before data entry, identify and flag incomplete or incorrect information for follow-up, maintain high productivity while meeting quality standards, follow established procedures and guidelines for claim submissions, communicate with team members or supervisors about any issues or discrepancies, handle confidential information with integrity and discretion, comply with data integrity and security policies, and perform other clerical or administrative tasks as needed. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or GED. You must have data entry experience. They prefer that you have insurance or claim processing experience. They prefer that you have experience with claims management systems or HER platforms. and they prefer that you have knowledge of healthcare or insurance terminology. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are paid on-the-job training, a supportive team environment, an opportunity for advancement within the company, health, dental, and vision insurance if full-time, paid time off and holidays, a 401k and matching, an employee discount program, and full-time employees are eligible for dependent care benefits that will assist with expenses from daycare, after-school programs, or elder care programs. The next job is with ShareCare, and they're looking for a data entry specialist. The essential functions of this job are to accurately enter and update patient data in internal and client-facing systems, to access and navigate multiple EMR platforms to retrieve, validate, and process patient health information, to ensure data accuracy and consistency while meeting productivity benchmarks, to maintain strict confidentiality and comply with HIPAA and company privacy policies, to collaborate with team members to support process improvements and service quality, and to provide courteous, timely, and professional communication with internal and external stakeholders as needed. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have proficiency in Microsoft Office applications. Strong organizational and multitasking skills are essential. You must have the demonstrated ability to manage time effectively and meet task deadlines. You must have a willingness to learn programs and process quickly. You must have strong documentation, communication, and customer service skills. You must be self-motivated, dependable, and be able to work independently or as part of a team. And you must have the proven ability to maintain productivity, utilization, and quality performance standards. Regarding the physical requirements for this job, you must be able to sit or stand for extended periods of time. You must have the physical capacity to lift and carry 25 pounds. Manual dexterity is sufficient for long periods of typing, writing, and handling documents. You must have visual acuity to read documents and use a computer monitor. You must be clear speaking and have hearing ability for communication. And you must have adequate hand-eye coordination and sensory abilities for job-related tasks. Regarding their information governance accountabilities requirements, they want you to understand the organization's information governance program and individual role responsibilities. And you must participate in required education and compliance training. Regarding the HIPAA compliance requirements for this job, you must be able to maintain the confidentiality of patients' and clients' information. You must comply with HIPAA standards and all relevant corporate integrity and security obligations. You must report unethical, fraudulent, or illegal behavior. And you must maintain current HIPAA certification annually. This is a full-time position. The next job is with High Remote, and they're looking for someone to fill their data entry position. Regarding what you'll do, you'll process incoming deal applications from external partners and create organized internal deal threads. You'll validate submitted application data to ensure accuracy and completeness. You'll utilize AI tools to standardize internal applications based on partner submissions. You'll generate new email threads for each deal, including all necessary details, recipients, and documentation. And you'll adhere to standard operating procedures for deal processing to maintain consistency and efficiency. Regarding what they're looking for, they want you to be able to manage and prioritize multiple deal threads effectively. They want you to have a keen eye for ensuring data accuracy and completeness in applications. They want you to have familiarity with email platforms, document management tools, and basic data handling processes. They want you to be open to learning and evolving in a role that may include additional tasks over time. And general work experience is required. Regarding the benefits of this job, you get to enjoy preset salary growth and weekly salary payments. and 100% work from home flexibility. The schedule for this job will be from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is a full-time position. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.